everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back, and if you're new here, then welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this really cute top hat snowman wreath. So if you'd like to see how I do this, then please keep watching. I will be using this tinsel top hat decor I got from Dollar Tree a while ago. First, I'm going to start by removing all of the tinsel and the hanger. I will be using this mesh from Walmart. It is 10 inches by 10 yards. I'm going to add pipe cleaners to the brim of the hat by placing 4 across the top of the brim at each of the crossbars. Then I'm going to add 4 across the bottom at each of the crossbars. Then I'm going to add 2 on each corner, giving me a total of 12 pipe cleaners. Next, I'm going to take my mesh and a zip tie, and I'm going to flip the wreath over. Then I'm going to gather the mesh and secure it to the wreath with a zip tie. Then I'm going to start wrapping the top of the hat with the mesh. Make sure to keep the edges of the mesh folded in as you wrap. You can see that the top of the hat is open, but it's not noticeable by the time you're done wrapping. But if this bothers you, you can close the top using hot glue and gluing the mesh together. I'm going to wrap all the way down to the bottom, stopping where the brim starts. Then I will secure the mesh with a zip tie and cut off the end. I cut 12 pieces of mesh to 20 inches long, and I'm going to make ruffles. To make the ruffles, I'm laying the mesh flat, putting something on the end to hold it down. Then I'm going to the bottom, finding the middle, and with my thumbs, I'm pushing up, walking my fingers up the mesh, pulling it toward me. It should look like a bow when you're done. Now I'm going to add the ruffles. I'm starting at the corner, laying the ruffle in the middle of the pipe cleaner, with one finished edge going towards the inner part of the wreath and the other finished edge going toward the outer part of the wreath. Once the ruffle is in place, then I'm going to fluff it out. I'm going to continue adding ruffles to the bottom and corner pipe cleaners. This is how it's looking with the bottom and corner ruffles added. I'm going to continue adding ruffles to the top pipe cleaners, laying them in vertically, the same as I did with the bottom ruffles. Here's how it looks with all of the ruffles added. I'm going to add a hanger to the back using a pipe cleaner. I'm going to spread the mesh apart and locate a crossbar. Feed the pipe cleaner through. Make a loop and twist the ends of the pipe cleaner together. Then I'm going to wrap the ends around the pipe cleaner. I'm going to use this 2.5 inch wide wired ribbon. I'm going to take the ribbon and wrap it around the top of the hat about 3/4 of the way down and secure it with hot glue. Next, I'm going to add a bow. I have a wreath bow tutorial linked in the description box if you want to check it out. Once the bow is in place, I'm going to fluff it out a little, but I will fluff it out more after the wreath is done. This is the vase filler from Dollar Tree, and I will be using the red and silver glitter balls. First, I'm going to trim the legs of the pipe cleaners down a little bit. Then I'm going to add the glitter balls by placing a dab of hot glue on the ball, then sliding it onto the pipe cleaner. I will add a glitter ball to each pipe cleaner, alternating colors. And here's how the wreath turned out. I think this is super cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!